Imagine a creature so strange, so rare. It seems more myth than reality. Gliding silently through the deep blue ocean, the oarfish is a sight few have ever seen. With its ribbon-like body and ghostly movement, it's no wonder it's surrounded by mystery. Some believe it's a harbinger of disaster, an omen from the depths. But is that truth or just myth? In this video, we're diving deep to uncover the truth about the oarfish, its biology, its bizarre reputation, and the curious connection it has to some of the world's most powerful natural events. So, what exactly is an oarfish? It's the longest bony fish in the world, reaching lengths of up to 11 meters or more. With a slender, silvery body and a bright red crest along its head, the oarfish looks like something from a fantasy novel. These creatures live in the deep ocean, often hundreds or even thousands of meters below the surface. That's part of the reason we know so little about them. They're rarely seen alive, and when they are, it's usually because they're sick, dying, or confused, wandering into shallow waters where humans spot them. Their mysterious appearances have left many wondering if they're trying to tell us something. Throughout history, coastal communities have been both fascinated and frightened by oarfish sightings. In Japan, the oarfish is known as the messenger from the sea god's palace. Fishermen believed its appearance was a warning of an impending earthquake or tsunami. Its bizarre look, long, serpent-like, almost otherworldly, has inspired countless myths and legends. Ancient mariners sometimes mistook it for a sea serpent, a creature from legends meant to instill fear and awe. Even today, news of an oarfish sighting often makes headlines, paired with nervous speculation about what might come next. But what does science say? Marine biologists have studied the oarfish and its behavior, and here's the truth. There is no confirmed link between oarfish sightings and natural disasters like earthquakes. While some sightings have occurred near seismic events, the connection is likely coincidental. The ocean is vast and largely unexplored. When a deep-sea creature shows up near the shore, it sparks our curiosity, and sometimes our fear. But fear isn't always rooted in fact. Visual data and scientific studies show that oarfish do not predict disasters. They're simply rare creatures, surfacing for reasons we're still trying to fully understand. Let's look at some notable sightings. In ancient times, reports of strange, serpent-like fish occasionally popped up in sailors' journals and village stories. These were often linked to major events, sometimes just by coincidence, sometimes amplified by fear. Fast forward to modern times. Japan, 2010, multiple oarfish washed ashore weeks before a major earthquake, reigniting old beliefs. Social media caught fire. The public once again questioned if the creature knew something we didn't. Scientists responded with increased research and expeditions, trying to track when and why these rare fish appear. But still, no solid evidence emerged to support the myth. Today, the oarfish has become something of a celebrity. From documentaries to viral TikToks, its image has been used to inspire awe, mystery, and sometimes fear. Movies and TV shows often present it as a symbol of something ominous, feeding into the mythos. Meanwhile, social media spreads these stories fast, often with little scientific context. This gap between sensationalism and science helps keep the myth alive. But if we take a closer look, we can see how the line between fact and fiction has been blurred, and how easy it is to get swept up in a story. So what have we learned? The oarfish is a fascinating deep-sea creature with a biology as strange as its reputation. But its link to disasters? Pure myth. Still, the mystery lingers, and maybe that's part of its charm. We're drawn to the unknown, and sometimes we fill in the blanks with stories. Have you ever heard of an oarfish sighting or any strange creature from the sea? Let us know in the comments. And remember, nature is full of wonders, but not all of them are omens.